Hello everybody, how are you? I am very fine. I hope that you are all fit and fine. I am also fine. I have with my friend, I have with my little friend, Debrata Kumar Nandi Dev, my only son, nickname Dev. Hello Debrata Nandi, hi bolo.
Hi.
Hi bolo, hath de bolo hi.
Hi.
How are you? I am fine. Okay, are you happy? Yes, I am happy. Okay. Are you hungry? Oh, hungry. Look at me, look at me. Look at me. Bye bye দিয়ে দাও সবাইকে। ভালো করে bye bye দাও, bye bye দাও।
Papa.
Okay. At present I am standing by Pabna Sadar Upazila. It is a police line school and field. You can see there are many students play cricket. You know cricket is the most important game in our country. Most of the people of Bangladesh watch television play cricket. I also play cricket regular, watch TV, television and internet. At present, police line school field. You can see George Court, Pabna George Court. Pabna George Court is the most important court in our country. It is a nice court. There are many trees in this area. You can see tree. Dear video viewers, you can see there are many people play football in this field. There are many students play cricket and play football in this field. You know, football is the most popular game in our country. There are many people, there are many students regular play cricket in this field. I also play cricket in this field. You can see police line school and college. This is a college. This college name of police line school and college. It is a beautiful college and natural college. There are many students read in this college. You can see many students play cricket. You know cricket. Cricket is the best exercise our body, and football is the best exercise in our body. Many people come here visit in this field. When you free time, please come here visit in this field. It is a free space in our district. Okay, thank you everybody. Next time see you. Who want to learn English can watch my video. Okay, bye bye.